Hi all, I will walk you over SAP assignment 3 on Query Designer. In order to start this assignment, first go to all programs, then go to Business Explorer, go to Query Designer, open, log on to Belfast. Go to Open Query. Take the GBI sales data for analysis. Before you do anything with it, first save it with a different name. So you save as and then save it in your My Favorites, okay? And give it a different name. I call it for KB3213, and then the technical name also needs to be changed. I make it KB. KB is my initials, so I give a new name to my query. So be careful here. Do not save on the query, but use save query as and then save it in your My Favorites. So now save it. So this is my query now, and I can make any changes I want to do in my query. So first I have to drag and drop calendar year and then filter calendar year to include 2009 to 2011. Okay. Then I have to choose country, and then within country I have to filter United States. Okay. So I am here now in page 3, actually in page 4, and then I have to set rows and columns. I have to go to the rows and columns button and then remove everything from it. Just have product category under rows, and within key figures I have to have sales quantity, revenue, discount and cost of goods manufactured. So let me do that. So I get rid of, I come to rows and columns pane, I remove all of them, right click, remove, right click, remove. If you have anything else here other than key figure, please remove that, okay? Just remove everything which is not green. Now I have to bring in product category under rows, right? And then under key figure I have to bring in sales quantity, discount and cost of goods manufactured. So sales quantity, discount, cost of goods manufactured. Okay. Now question number 1 is, what do I see at the bottom right corner of the row columns tab of the Query Designer screen? So I get a preview, right? I get a preview. So take a print screen, and so answer 1 is and I paste the screenshot here. Okay, the next question is, I have to test the query now. In order to start the query, be careful about one thing, that you have to make sure that your pop-ups are open. So let me run or execute the query now. And you can see that this is my screen now, and I see the product category. I see revenue, sales quantity, discount and cost of goods sold. Let me take a print screen. And what are they asking me? They are asking me in question number 2, which product category generated the highest revenue for the US. So let me put in the screenshot first, and which product category. So here within the product category, sort the maximum. So let me sort the sales quantity, and you can see that maximum is which product category generated the highest revenue. So let me go to revenue, and the highest revenue is generated by TOU. So this is my screenshot again, and then I just take this one, put that, and then highest revenue is, answer is TOU. Okay, third question is, I have to close the browser, and then I have to bring in customer and sales organization under free characteristics. So I close the browser, I bring in customer and sales organization under characteristics, and I have to add material to the row span of our query. Okay, then I have to change material description to product, and within display I have to display it as key, and what else? Result rows to always suppress. Result rows to always suppress. Then within product category I have to display it as text, and as in sort characteristics is product category. And sort by is text. Okay, I have done that, and then what I have to do is, in the columns panel I have to take currency and make it to 0 decimal places. So I do revenue, discount and cost of goods manufactured, those are in currency. I go to display, decimal places 0. So let me check each one of them. This is number of decimal places 0, discount is 0, cost of goods manufactured is also 0. Okay, so I'm done with it, and then I have to execute it again. So I execute my query, sorry, this is saving. Execute my query, and this is what I get, and there are two pages, so I can go to page number 2 of 2, and let me see, I think this is not saved. Description is product. Let me save it one more time, and then let me execute it again. Yes, now I don't see material here. I see product category, product, revenue, sales quantity, discount and cost of goods manufactured. Now let me answer the question. Question number 3A, which single product had the highest sales quantity? So product had the highest sales quantity, so let me just do like this, and then I see the highest one is 1883, right? So this is ACC. Product category or product is FAID 1000. Okay, then which single product had the lowest sales quantity? Lowest sales quantity is TRE category, but product is fixed gear, FXGR 1000. And how many total products were sold? By the way, I have to give a screenshot for each of them. So this screenshot is actually, it will work for here. For here, it will work for the lowest. So which one is my lowest? This one is my lowest. Lowest is fixed gear and highest is actually PUMP 1000. Sorry about that. And okay, now last one is how many total products were sold. How many total products were sold? So I have to add up all of them. So let me export to Microsoft Excel, open it. And then I can find out the overall result is 39,721. So my answer is 39,721 and show a screenshot. Next we will follow steps to analyze the discount characteristics. In order to do this, we will right click on the key figures. So right click on the key figures and then we will pull up new formula and we will double click on the formula 1 to open the change formula editor, change the description to percentage discount and then enter the formula. So let's do that. So right click, new formula. Okay, formula 1 we can see, and description to percentage discount. And then detail view is this. In the detail view, we entered that. It's not letting me paste, so I will just say discount %A revenue. %A and revenue. Okay. To hide the discount key figure, click discount so its properties appear in the, I think before that I need to just close it. Then I click on discount and display tab, activate the height. Also do 2 decimal places and it's hidden. Okay, then I need to save and execute the query. So I will save it and I will execute the query. Okay, so this is my result, and from here which products offered the highest % discount. Okay, so which product offered the highest discount? Fixed gear. Okay, so I will take a screenshot of this and Apex GR 1000. So this is Apex GR 1000. Take a screenshot. At this point what I have to do is % discount can now be hidden and discount should be set as always show again. Okay, then we have to do currency conversion. So we have to return to query designer. Then in the filter tab, remove the filter for country by dragging it into the info provider area. Okay, then we click on the row columns tab and remove product from rows in the same manner. Okay, then we select the key figure revenue and then we go to the conversion tab and choose BI curriculum fixed USD as the conversion type. Okay, so revenue, then conversion, and then I choose BI curriculum fixed USD as the conversion site. Then save and execute the query. So I save and then I execute the query. So this is what I got. Take a screenshot of your results table. Okay. Now select both the key figures, revenue and discount, and then click the conversion tab and do the same thing, revenue and discount. Save, execute, and then I get this print screen from here. What changes can be seen between the two results table? I can see all data in USD now. Same currency. And that's about it. So we are done. Save and submit.